Welcome to our exploration of Christmas and its cultural significance. As one of the most celebrated holidays around the world, Christmas not only brings families and communities together but also creates numerous business and job opportunities. In this discussion, we will delve into the rich traditions associated with Christmas, the various ways it impacts commerce, and the potential for employment during this festive season. Whether you're a business owner looking to maximize opportunities or someone seeking seasonal work, understanding these dynamics can help you navigate the holiday season effectively. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like this post and subscribe for more content on cultural celebrations, business insights, and job opportunities. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable information and engage with our community. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you a joyous holiday season. Christmas, celebrated on December 25th, holds deep cultural and religious significance, particularly in Christianity, where it symbolizes the birth of Jesus Christ. Over the years, it has evolved into a broader cultural phenomenon, encompassing various traditions, customs, and festivities. This celebration is marked by religious observances, such as attending church services and participating in Advent, alongside family gatherings that include meals, gift exchanges, and unique regional customs. Homes and public spaces are often adorned with festive decorations, creating a joyful atmosphere. Different countries celebrate in various ways, from Italy's Feast of the Seven Fishes to Germany's traditional Christmas markets, highlighting the global diversity of Christmas celebrations. The Christmas season presents numerous opportunities for businesses across various sectors. In retail and e-commerce, many retailers experience a significant boost in sales as consumers flock to purchase gifts. Online shopping sees particularly high traffic, offering e-commerce platforms the chance to expand their reach. The hospitality and food service sectors also benefit, as restaurants and hotels capitalize on holiday parties and catering services. Seasonal menus featuring festive dishes attract customers seeking unique dining experiences. Furthermore, the market for handmade goods and corporate gifting flourishes, providing artisans and businesses with ample opportunities to meet consumer demand for personalized gifts. Job opportunities related to Christmas are abundant, especially in retail and hospitality. Retailers typically increase their hiring to accommodate the influx of shoppers, creating roles for sales associates and stock management personnel. In the hospitality sector, there is a demand for event coordinators to manage holiday parties and catering staff for festive gatherings. The rise in online shopping also leads to a greater need for delivery drivers and warehouse staff to handle logistics efficiently. Additionally, artisans and crafters can find seasonal work producing holiday crafts and decorations, while temporary manufacturing positions may arise to meet increased production demands. Despite the opportunities, challenges exist for both businesses and employees during the Christmas season. Supply chain issues constrain inventory levels, leading to shortages and delays. Competition is fierce, not only among local businesses but also against major online retailers that dominate the e-commerce landscape. For employees, the busy holiday season can result in stress and burnout, particularly in the fast-paced retail and hospitality sectors. Navigating these challenges requires careful planning and adaptability, ensuring that both businesses and individuals can thrive during this vibrant season. In conclusion, Christmas represents a rich tapestry of cultural significance, offering a plethora of business and job opportunities. By understanding the cultural roots and leveraging the festive spirit, businesses can prosper, and individuals can find rewarding employment. With strategic planning and a focus on addressing challenges, the Christmas season can be a time of growth and celebration for all involved. If you found this information helpful, please remember to like this video and subscribe for more insights on cultural celebrations, business opportunities, and much more. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue to share valuable content. Thank you, and have a wonderful holiday season.